Okay, this is your weather outlook. I'm Fred. This is your general forecast map for Sunday, April 27th. If you go to the .com page, it is open. I had to make 7 videos, so it took a long time to put this together. But I think if you go to the .com page, you're going to see a lot more information there that you just won't see on Facebook, and it's free. Okay, so if you want to go there, again, it's free. A lot more stuff there that's on the Facebook page, www.weather-outlook.com. Go there, and all the pages will be open, and a lot of information there, and you'll see why I was charging for it. So I'm giving you an opportunity to check it all out and go from there. And working on some ideas that I'll try to keep it open for free even into next winter. But I'm not worried about that right now. I'm just putting it out there with all this other information so you can just see just how much there is there to view and to see. Okay, right now, this is Sunday, and as you can see, temperatures are basically 50s and 60s. Overnight hours, they'll drop into some areas. If you look out here in Western PA, they've dropped into the 30s. Elsewhere, even the Poconos are dropping close to 30s. The valleys in southeastern PA and even out by Pittsburgh, you pretty much stay into the 40s overnight. And then we move this on to Monday during the day. You can see across the states generally 60s and 70s, not too bad, but we do have a little bit of precipitation that wants to show up here. Now this is 7 o'clock in the morning on Tuesday, and you can see it's not too bad out there as 7 o'clock in the morning on Tuesday, but you'll see this is around, let's see, this is around 7 o'clock. You can see 80s pushing up right up here in the Susquehanna Valley. Really gets warm ahead of the front. But then, as you can see, the cold front dropping down here Tuesday night into Wednesday morning across the state. It kind of gets shut off from getting down here towards Reading and South Jersey and Philly and down here in Delaware. Kind of gets cut off, but it's cold to the north. And then it makes a little bit of recovery on Wednesday. As you can see, 50s to the north, 60s to the south. But then Thursday morning, it pretty much pushes into eastern, northeastern PA. Temperatures could get down to the freezing level up here towards Montrose and West and Wayne County, up the Carbondale up that way. It could get down to freezing up there, and even in North Jersey get close to it. So pretty chilly morning up there. But as you can see, the rest of the state is basically staying in the upper 30s and 40s. And then during the day on Thursday, you can see it's a little chilly to the north, but still we're 60s to 70s across the state, which is about right, which what is what I would expect. And as we get into Friday morning, let's see here, you get a Friday morning, you can still see there's a little bit of chill in the air, but it's now 50s, not 30s, and the rest of the state 60s, and this is Friday morning early. And then here's your first big I-95 warm up, really. Temperatures get into the mid 80s next Friday, the 2nd, on the I-95 corridor, and elsewhere 70s and 60s as you go to the west. But ahead of the next front, the warm air comes up, and Delaware gets into the 80s. Maybe not Allentown and Reading, but south of that, it gets into the 80s. But here you can see right here, Trenton, Philly, it's pretty warm. Along the coast there, still you're not getting the heat. You're warm in the 70s, but that 80s stay to your west. All right, everybody take care, be safe. I'll update this again tomorrow.